Thanksgiving is all about family, warmth, and sharing special moments. Let Jolux help you create the perfect ambiance for your gatherings. Hey everyone, with Thanksgiving just around the corner, it's time to get our homes ready for the holiday festivities. Today, I'm going to show you how you can easily transform your recessed can lights into beautiful pendant lighting using Jolux's recessed can light conversion kit. And the best part, you can do it yourself in minutes, no tools or professional help needed. This is the Jolux Recessed Can Light Conversion Kit. It's designed to make upgrading your home lighting simple and quick. With its easy install feature and multiple color temperature options, you can set the perfect mood for any occasion. Let's get started. First, I'll remove the existing recessed light cover. Next, I simply attach the Jolux conversion kit to the existing socket. And voila, the pendant light is securely in place. You can adjust the height to your liking, making it perfect for kitchen islands, dining areas, or living rooms. Now that the pendant lights are installed, let's see how they change the atmosphere. I've set the color temperature to a warm, cozy glow, perfect for a Thanksgiving dinner. Jolux's adjustable lighting options allow you to customize your space for any gathering, from intimate family dinners to lively holiday parties. Check out this incredible before and after transformation. The Jolux pendant lights make the space feel so much more inviting and festive. And there you have it, a simple, tool-free way to upgrade your home lighting and make this Thanksgiving even more special. Happy Thanksgiving, and enjoy the warmth and joy of the season with your loved ones. Ready to transform your space? Check out the links in the description to get your Jolux pendant lights today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with how you're getting your home ready for the holidays. See you next time.